Hey guys, happy Friday. Just wanted to find out who's going to be visiting open houses this weekend, sitting down with lenders, or just curious about the overall picture of what's happening in the markets. If you are, feel free to reach out, send me a DM. I love to chat and see what options we can find for you and help you out with the goal or the dream of home ownership. And I also wanted to share with you a little bit of information in regards to student loans and interest rates. Student loans are all over the news right now. And if you have some of your own, you might be wondering if it affects your ability to buy a home. It doesn't have to. In fact, according to the National Association of Realtors, 33% of first time homebuyers have student loan debt. That's one out of every three people who buy their first home are in the same exact spot you're in, and they're able to buy. That's because when you're trying to buy, lenders look at your whole financial picture, including your income, your credit, and your overall debt, not just your student loan. And if your finances are in decent shape, buying a home could be more realistic than you think. My advice, don't count yourself out before you even try. Reach out to a lender and see what you could qualify for. Better yet, reach out to me. Everyone wants to know, when are mortgage rates going to come down? And here's something most people don't realize: mortgage rates don't just react to housing news, they also respond to what's happening in the broader economy. And one of the big drivers this year has been higher energy prices. When oil prices went up earlier this year, inflation stayed higher than expected, and that made mortgage rates move higher too. But here's something encouraging. While there's been some volatility, overall, oil prices have started easing. That doesn't guarantee mortgage rates will fall tomorrow, but historically, these two trends tend to move together. If oil prices hadn't come down, it would have been harder for rates to fall. But now the stage is set. There's reason to believe mortgage rates could gradually improve. That's why I'll be watching this trend closely over the next few months. Will everything suddenly be easy? Probably not. But after the first half we've had, better is a pretty good place to start. If you've been wondering whether it's worth making a move this year, let's talk it through and see what today's market really looks like and what the latest forecast says you can expect.